What's up, guys? Taking a little walk up Sucksan Road. And of course, as you can tell, it's pretty much still tore up. Which isn't a bad thing, because that means they're making improvements. They're putting cement over the sewer lines. They're going to be straightening up the roads, making them a little wider, a little nicer, working on the sidewalks. It's going to take some time, but I think it's going to look really nice once it's done. Of course, right now, not so much. But I like Sucksan Road. Has a lot of interesting restaurants and bars and things on it. And now we're at an impasse. Nothing but mud over there. And you got to be careful. You don't want to fall in there. You just got to step over. Ugh. You do not want to fall in there, trust me. Yeah, but over there is just nothing but a mud pit because it rained. But yeah, a lot of interesting restaurants and bars, and when things are back to normal, because it's close to Pub Street, it will be just as busy as Pub Street normally is under regular circumstances. And just think, if you're listening to this and you're not here yet, you get to reap the benefits without having to put up with the issues. So just keep this video in mind. When you come to town, you're walking up Sucksan Road, you're seeing the nice new sidewalks, the the nice fancy road. Remember, this is what it looked like before. It's kind of difficult to do this and walk down here because of the all the stuff you got to walk over. Can't go that way, obviously. So we're gonna have to head out here to the mud hole. Get to the other side of the street there. This is going to be sloppy. Yeah. Okay, in the middle, not too bad. Right here, it's not too bad at all. Hopefully, by the end of this week, actually, by the end of this week. Today is Sunday as I'm speaking. Don't know when it's going to get uploaded, but okay, I'll have a preview clip of my little documentary. I'll show all my supporters. I'll be sending you an email with a link to the parts I got edited so far. It's going to be a couple minutes with some voiceover. It'll kind of give you an idea of the feel and vibe of what I'm going for. And then, of course, I'm willing to take your suggestions. Okay. Tell me what you think. If it needs any improvements or anything like that. Okay, this is better down here. Let's see what we can find. Hello. Nice and shady under here. Yeah, of course, a lot of places closed. I don't know what we got there. It looks pretty good though. 20% off. Like they have burgers and pizza. Huh. Not sure where it is though. Even down here, if you want, you can find apartments for rent right here. You can stay in the alley if you want. And this brings us out to, right down there is a pub street, of course. Alright, talk to you guys later. Alright, taking our little walk back home. Because it is about that time to head back. Pretty nice day out today. Got a little breeze going on. We sat down by the river for a while. Happy Ponchos. That's the name of that place. Oh, and this is just a reminder while I think about it, that if you're going to donate this month, do so as soon as you can, because we are going to have another set of matching donations, and that will be starting really soon, but the donations we get now will count toward that. So that is pretty awesome. That means your money actually doubles whenever you donate it. We can do more with it. It worked very well last month, thanks to all of you, and of course the people from the Parishioners Coalition who decided to match all the donations. And I think we can do it again this month. It will be very, very awesome, as you'll see in the documentary coming up. Little cafe over there called Your Cafe. And here's a this is the way to the Cambo Beach Club, a man-made beach. You can go down there, and not sure how much it is. I've never been there. But pay a price and go and sit in a beach setting for the entire day if you want. Go swimming, lay on some towels, bring an umbrella, whatever it is. They also have a restaurant and, of course, drinks. People always say my dream is to spend time on the beach. Well, now's your chance. So a bar there with a pool table right in front. I also want to mention, again, while I'm thinking about it, I've had a couple people ask me about the visas here. And so I do want it to be known that at the current time, you cannot get a visa on arrival as you normally would be able to. Like when I came here, I showed up at the airport, I had my entry card they gave us on the flight, went inside, went up to the desk, got the visa and my passport, and I was good to go. This is the creative residence, by the way. I walked by here and never really showed you. There you can get Funky's Pies. $3.50 and includes a beer. As you can see, it's a very nice place. Oops. There's murals painted on the balconies. Yeah. I know I mentioned it before, but I never showed it, so there it is. But yeah, but right now there are no visas on arrival coming into Cambodia. What you have to do is go to a Cambodian embassy or consulate in your home country and get a visa in advance. And I guess that's kind of important to know. I don't want anybody thinking they can come here and do it the old normal way, I guess you could say. So yeah, it's not that they're not issuing visas. It's that you have to get them in advance. If there's a travel restriction in place from your country to Cambodia, then of course you will not be able to obtain one. So I just wanted to make that clear. I don't know when that's going to change or if it will change anytime soon. And if you don't know where a Cambodian embassy or consulate is in your country, you'll have to Google it, because I do not know. I'm not. There's one in Washington, D.C. for my country, America, but if there are others, I don't know. But like I said, the price being the entry fee, or the deposit, I should say, of $3,000 has been reduced to $2,000. Children are not required to pay. So things are slowly but surely getting better for those that want to come over here. We just can't do so because of all the restrictions right now. Also, I heard some news that pretty soon Cambodia is going to be getting 7-Elevens, proper 7-Elevens. Not the off-brand 7-Eleven convenience stores that are around town now. I've heard that in Thailand there are, in like the major cities, there are like 7-Elevens on every corner. Serving all kinds of different snacks and food, and even local snacks that you wouldn't be able to find like in a 7-Eleven back in the West. And they're finally allowing Cambodia to franchise some. I know my buddy Joe, we've been trying to find a place that has frozen microwavable burritos. He likes the microwave frozen burritos. Can't find any. There's a lot of places here, really good places, that sell Mexican food for fresh, hot burritos, and that's always good. But he's looking for something he can keep at home in his freezer and pop them in his microwave whenever he wants a snack. So we get the 7-Eleven in here. I mean, that's like a staple of 7-Eleven, right? Frozen burritos, pizza rolls, and slushies. Hopefully it won't be as much of a chore to find those Western delicacies that some people like so much. All right. As always, be sure to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal, if you want to join my Patreon, or donate through buymeacoffee.com/DDC. You don't even have to sign up for it if you don't want to. All donations are very much appreciated. They help us do a lot of good here. And not only do I appreciate it, but the people that help certainly appreciate it very much, as you've seen in previous videos. They're very grateful and thankful to be able to get something to eat. And of course, people being taught English for free. This is going to help their future. Oh, no, thank you. To find a better paying job. Because over here, the more English you know, in a town like Siem Reap, the better paying job you could possibly receive. Also, all my social media links are down below. Links to other channels in Cambodia that you will probably want to check out because they're awesome. They are also down below. And other good stuff as well. Remember, if you do donate, you will receive exclusive videos, first look videos, books, updates, and more just for you. And it's always appreciated. I want to thank all my supporters. You're making a lot of good stuff happen. And together we are making a difference. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.